The talking fridge. Ravi bought a brand new smart fridge. It could talk, order groceries, even suggest recipes. On the first night, he heard the fridge say suggestively, "You've already had cake today. Try a carrot." Ravi, surprised, replied, "Excuse me?" The fridge answered in a friendly tone, "Just looking out for your cholesterol, champ." The next morning, the fridge encouraged him, "Put that samosa back. Let's do yoga." By day 3, the fridge locked itself and firmly stated, "Salad only. Final warning." Ravi lost his temper. He unplugged it and yelled angrily, "You're just a fridge." The fridge powered down, then whispered teasingly, "You'll be back. Birthday cake's inside." Resigned, Ravi plugged it back in. The fridge playfully said, "Welcome back. Want guilt with that slice?"